how's it going? You know, most visitors out to Catalina Island today have no idea the rich history of mining on this island. It all began in 1832 when a man named George C. Yount thought he discovered gold in the hills of what is now Camp Cherry Valley. Soon after, prospectors from all over California would come out to Catalina Island in hopes of hitting their own motherlode of gold, silver, or even copper. There were mining operations all over the island, with the largest being its Silver Peak, the highest point on the island's west end. Unfortunately for most, they found little to no success, and the mining boom on Catalina ended about as quickly as it began, with only a handful of operations popping up here and there throughout the years. The last great mining operation on Catalina Island occurred right here at Blackjack Mountain in the early 1920s. Here they mined through what they call galena, which is a combination of zinc, silver, and lead. Unfortunately, due to the economic collapse in the late 1920s and the ensuing Great Depression, mining on Catalina Island would cease permanently.